In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Siteground account the easy way. If you're considering moving your website elsewhere or simply no longer need your hosting service with Siteground, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process with ease and clarity. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head on over to Siteground's official website. You can do this by typing in world.siteground.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with their homepage, which is aptly titled Web Hosting Perfected. This is your gateway to managing anything related to your Siteground services. The second step involves accessing your account, so locate and click on the Login button. This button is typically situated at the upper right corner of the page, ensuring easy access for users. Ensuring you're using the correct credentials is crucial here. Input your username and password to gain entry into your account dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your personal account hub. Here is where all your hosting activities are managed. Now find and click the option labelled My Siteground Account. This will take you to a more detailed view of your personal settings and subscriptions associated with your account. Now it's time to focus on the services you're currently utilizing with Siteground. Within your account interface, identify and select the Services tab. This section displays an overview of the different hosting packages and domains linked to your account. It's the go-to spot for managing each individual component of your hosting subscription. Next, within the services section, you need to locate and click on the settings for the specific service you wish to cancel. To do this, simply tap on the settings link corresponding to the service in question. This will provide further options and configurations that are tailored to this particular service. Continue by spotting a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu or a set of additional commands. It's here that you'll find a wider array of actions applicable to your hosting service, including the crucial cancellation option. Finally, to complete the cancellation of your Siteground service, you need to find the Cancel option within this menu. Click on Cancel and you'll be guided through any final steps or confirmations needed to officially terminate your hosting service. And there you have it, the straightforward steps to cancel your Siteground account. Remember, if you're opting to cancel a service, ensure you have backups of any important data or files associated with your hosting plan. It's always a good practice to secure your digital content before making any significant account changes. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it helped simplify the process for you.